So the problem is that we are going to surface this gear here. So the problem is this gear. If you try to put this gear on this shaft here, on this shaft, you cannot put the lock. There is no space for the lock. It just enters and finishes all the space. You have no space for the lock. So what we are going to do, we are going to remove some pieces here of metal, so that we can put this gear on this shaft here. In that we can also put the lock. So if you try to measure this gear here, so for the gear it measures 20 millimeters here, as you are seeing. It measures 20 millimeters as the distance. So if you try to measure the distance, so the distance on the shaft where the lock, where we are going to put also where the lock should be, you see that the gear has to be a distance of this is the distance of let me try to see. Okay, so if you try to check, it has to be with the distance of that is 16.5. so we have to remove, so 16.5 minus 4 minus 20 minus 16.5, we have to remove like that is almost 3.5. so we have to remove 3 millimeters 3 millimeters 0.5 on this gear, so that it can enter very well. It can enter very well in that the logo can go on. So what you have going to do, you are going to put it there. Then afterwards, we shall try to so we have put it in a reverse form. So this sliding will come this side like this. We are going to drive it when we are going the other way around. So now let's try to test. So this is what we have done here. So remember, it was if you see this groove here, it was too big and it is up to this side. So it is a tedious work, but you have to take time. So now it is in 15. So we wanted 16, but I put on just addition in case. So this is 15. So let's test. So this is where it sits. So let's test here. So now, as you see, so this is what we liked here. So this is what we liked. So let me try to show it very well here on the version. This is what we liked. We wanted this so that we can put here the lock here inside here. So we had to face this very well. As you are seeing, we had to face it until we reached at the point where I can put the lock here. The lock here, there is a certain lock which sits inside there into the shaft. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. So see you in the next tutorial.